Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can add a Suica card to Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so as of right now, 2025, Suica, the Japanese contactless IC card for transit and payments, cannot be added directly to Google Wallet. Suica is currently only supported on Apple Wallet and Android phones via the mobile Suica app, but only on phones sold in Japan. So keep that in mind. That support Osafu Ketai, a specific type of NFC feature used in Japan. So you can still use Suica, but through the mobile Suica app, not Google Wallet. So here's how to set it up. So ensure your phone supports Osafu Ketai, Japanese Android phones only. Then download the mobile Suica app from the Google Play Store, but you need to be in the Japan region for this. Open the app and create or log into your Suica account. Follow instructions to issue a new Suica card or transfer a physical card or a physical one. You can then top up your Suica and use it directly from your phone via NFC.